Hey guys, so welcome back to our channel Being Up to Date. So today I am going to deliver a lecturette on Indo-China relations. So let's begin. So talking about Indo-China relations, India and China are the two most populous and fastest growing economies in the world. Being China, our clever neighbor and one of the best competitor in South Asia, it helps India to always be active and work for the development of our country without any fatigue. Since independence, we always wanted a calm environment. So we signed Panchayat Treaty, whose basic aim was of peaceful coexistence. But however, border disputes and imbalance in bilateral trade cause bitterness in our relation. Now, when we are talking about the challenges facing by India in today's scenario, no doubt that somewhere China is ahead from us. And the reason behind it, that China always wanted to be alone in the race. He always wanders the developing countries by creating disputes with them, and which further causes political disturbance in that country. And that's what exactly India is also suffering from. Whether we talk about Doglam dispute or recent Galwan Valley and Pangong Lake, it is clear that China is successfully trying to wander us from our aim. So India needs to understand that China lets us to expend more on armed forces instead of increasing our GDP. And on excess military expenditure, we are avoiding our focus on infrastructure development. Whereas China surpasses its GDP by OBOR, CPEC and entangle India by strings of pearls. Now sudden stop of trade with China will not be the wise move of India from my point of view, because it will put us back in technology. Instead, India should put two actions: either increase tax in China imports or by invite them to make their products in our country, so that we will get aware of all their new technologies. However, to overcome these challenges, India well tackled China in recent disputes by her rigidity and good global diplomacy. To counter China, India must actively pursue Look East policy by engaging all Southeast Asian nations who have been clashing interests with China in South China Sea, and further create ties with Japan to form a collective front, and by helping other countries to overcome from loan given by China, which also helps India, as everyone will expect India as to be a decent global leader. So that's all for today. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.